Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Walmart air fryer. First, let's get familiar with its parts, like the basket and heating element. Before cooking, always ensure your food is dry and lightly coated with about 1 teaspoon of oil for optimal crispiness. Don't forget to preheat your air fryer for 3 to 5 minutes. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect texture and even cooking. For the best results, avoid overcrowding the basket. Cooking in smaller batches allows the hot air to circulate properly, ensuring everything gets wonderfully crispy. Remember to shake the basket every 5 to 10 minutes during cooking to promote even browning on all sides. And always use a meat thermometer to confirm your food reaches safe internal temperatures, especially for poultry and meats. Let's talk about some popular air fryer foods and their ideal settings. For crispy French fries, try 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Chicken wings turn out great at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for around 25 minutes, while vegetables like broccoli are perfect at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. These are great starting points for your air frying adventures. Proper cleaning ensures your air fryer lasts a long time. Always unplug the unit and let it cool down completely before you start cleaning. The basket and crisper plate are usually dishwasher safe or can be easily washed by hand with warm, soapy water. For the exterior, a simple wipe with a damp cloth is all you need. Never immerse the main unit in water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.